So I'm dyeing my hair again. I'm sick of this green tinge I get from the gray toner, like the conditioner stuff. The gray leaves this green tinge in my hair. And you can't see it really in this terrible lighting in my bathroom, but I'm going to use this Garnier Nutrisse Platinum Blonde. I think the box right then just said PL1. It's like the lightest of the platinum blondes that they offer from Garnier Nutrisse, and I'm just going through exactly what they tell you to do. So they give you developer in a little container, a lid for the developer. They give you a packet of bleach powder. They also give you a tube of toner, so you won't just bleach it, you'll get a toner as well with this, which is super nice. I think it kind of opened my eyes to think I could have mixed bleach powder in with my Wella toners if I knew I needed to go lighter. But, you know, you live and you learn. So this is me cutting open the bleach packet. You mix it in with the developer they give you, so you don't have to measure anything with this. It was really great, and I think it was only $8 for this box. So I would definitely try this again, instead of buying all the stuff myself in larger bottles. So you just make sure that you mix everything well. This is the actual toner, the color part of it, and you have to just bust open the tube there. And yep, just mixing it with the bleach powder and the developer that are already mixed up. And this gave me a really nice lift, even though the box said, like, don't use it on dark hair, which I definitely have some root going on here in my natural hair, which is like a level 8. No, 8. 10 is the lightest, let's say. I'm like a 2, a 1 or a 2 when I put it up next to a chart. Not quite black, but very close. And I definitely have a lot of grays as well. But this gave me great coverage. I like the nozzle they gave you with the bottle. So I did my roots first, and that's where I left. This was developing the longest on my root area, which is the darkest area. And I think it created a very nice blend. And my hair, turned out a really nice color. I'm not going to talk through this whole thing. It's only 9 minutes total, but the application was nice, and then I went in and I dragged it down the rest of my length after I let it develop for a good, I think I left it on for like 20 minutes under the shower cap, and then I waited another maybe 10 minutes before I washed it all out. And yeah, if you get to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching, even up to this point, to be honest. And leave me a comment if you've ever tried this dye, or like it, or don't like it, or don't like my hair. Those are the funniest comments I get. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye.